In this video, I will show you how to find your Steam ID number. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, you may need your Steam ID if you're looking to link your Steam account to a different platform, for example like Rockstar or maybe EA. Or you might also need it if you're looking to send this to a friend so they can add you on Steam. Whatever the reason, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course come across Steam and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner. You're going to see your name up here where it says manage account. Give that a click. That's going to bring up a menu like this. And from here, you want to come and click onto account details. Now, once you've done that, it's going to take you across to your account screen. And if you look at the top underneath here, where it's got your name and account, you should be able to find your Steam ID with the sequence of numbers. Of course, what you can do from here is hold down your left mouse button, drag this across to highlight your Steam ID number. And then if you right click, you're going to see an option to copy, give that a click. And then you've now got your Steam ID where you can use this if you want to link to another platform or send it to a friend so they can add you on Steam. So that is how to find Steam ID number. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.